House design with extensive balcony to enjoy the spectacular views to nature. Introduction: Connecting with nature through balcony designs. In modern architecture, the design of the home plays a crucial role in connecting the indoor environment with nature. One of the most sought-after features for homeowners who love nature is the extensive balcony. Balconies are not just small spaces to enjoy fresh air, they are an integral part of the home's design that extends the living space into the outdoors. Imagine waking up in the morning and stepping onto a large balcony that opens up to a panoramic view of serene mountains, vast oceans, or lush forests. Today's architectural trends show how the integration of expansive balconies allows homeowners to fully immerse themselves in their surroundings while enjoying the comfort and luxury of their interiors. In this video, we will dive deep into the essential elements of designing homes with extensive balconies designed to showcase nature's beauty. Don't forget to like, the role of balconies in modern architecture. Balconies have evolved beyond their traditional function of providing a small outdoor space for relaxation. In modern architecture, expansive balconies serve as vital extensions of the home, merging the indoors with nature. These balconies are designed to be large, open spaces that offer spectacular views of the surrounding landscape, whether it be a city skyline, a beach, or a mountain range. The design of such balconies is crucial to maximizing both functionality and aesthetics, and architects carefully select materials that enhance the home's overall design while ensuring Design elements of spacious balconies. When designing a home with an extensive balcony, architects focus on the layout and flow of the space. A key aspect is how the balcony connects to the main living areas, such as the living room, dining area, or master bedroom. For instance, large sliding glass doors can be used to open up the interior space to the balcony, allowing for unobstructed views. Additionally, choosing materials like wood, metal, or concrete for the balcony's flooring and railings can add a natural aesthetic that complements the outdoor setting. Another maximizing views with balcony placement. The placement of the balcony plays a significant role in maximizing the views of the natural surroundings. Balconies that face towards open landscapes, mountain ranges, or bodies of water offer homeowners a private viewing area that allows them to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. The strategic placement of balconies in multi-story homes ensures that each room has access to scenic views. On higher floors, balconies can serve as a lookout point, providing unobstructed views of the horizon. Furthermore, architects often use techniques like cantilevering, balcony integrated living spaces. Balconies that are incorporated into the design of living spaces create a unique indoor-outdoor living experience. Expansive balconies can serve as an extension of the home's living room or dining area. By incorporating large glass walls or folding doors, the living space opens up seamlessly to the balcony, making it feel as though the outdoor space is an integral part of the home. For example, a dining table placed on the balcony can serve as an ideal spot for enjoying meals with a scenic backdrop. Similarly, a comfortable lounge area can provide a relaxing landscaping ideas for balcony gardens. Adding greenery to the balcony enhances the natural atmosphere, transforming it into a peaceful oasis. The design of balcony gardens is crucial in creating a harmonious connection between the built environment and the natural world. Plants such as climbing vines, cascading flowers, and shrubs can be used to soften the hard lines of the balcony structure, creating a lush, inviting space. In addition, planters and vertical gardens are great options for incorporating greenery without taking up too much floor space. The right combination of plants and outdoor Luxury features for balconies with a view. Balconies with stunning views can be transformed into luxurious spaces with the right design touches. Luxury features like infinity-edge pools, outdoor fireplaces, and built-in seating can elevate the experience of being outdoors. Imagine having a private pool that overlooks a breathtaking valley or an outdoor fire pit to keep you warm during cool evenings. Incorporating elements like ambient lighting or outdoor kitchens also adds a sense of elegance and convenience. These luxury features not only enhance the functionality of the balcony but also create an atmosphere of indulgence, making the materials for constructing a stunning balcony. The materials chosen for the construction of the balcony are just as important as the design itself. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal are often selected to enhance the aesthetic and durability of the balcony. For example, wood can create a warm and rustic feel, while concrete and metal offer a sleek, modern look. Additionally, choosing the right flooring for the balcony is essential for comfort and practicality. Hardwood, composite decking, or outdoor tiles are great options that The social and emotional impact of balcony designs. Balconies offer more than just aesthetic appeal, they also have a significant impact on the emotional well-being of the inhabitants. These outdoor spaces can become personal sanctuaries where one can escape from the stress of daily life. Whether used for meditation, reading, or simply enjoying the fresh air, balconies provide a sense of freedom and tranquility. They also offer a space for social interaction, as outdoor living is often associated with social gatherings, barbecues, or evening parties. The connection between Conclusion: creating a home that reflects nature's beauty. Designing a house with an extensive balcony is an excellent way to create a seamless connection between the built environment and the natural world. With the right materials, placement, and features, a balcony can become an inviting extension of your home, offering breathtaking views of nature while enhancing your living experience. Whether you are looking to create a luxury outdoor retreat or a simple space for relaxation, the possibilities are endless when it comes to designing balconies that open up to nature's beauty. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring home design ideas.